All right, so I had to share these with you. We have decided to go with all LEDs for all our lights and all our vehicles, and we are so impressed with these right here. The one on the left right here, this is what you normally have in your vehicle. These here are the state-of-the-art new blinker lights. They have them for all lights. I mean, you can get them for your headlights as well, but these are amazing. They're plug and play. They just are mind-blowing. We tried them. We loved them so much that we contacted the company, and we've decided to do that more and let them know how impressed we are with their product and ask them if they could throw us a few bucks. We'd be glad to share that with our great subscribers like you. And you're going to see right here. All right, guys and gals, let's see what it looks like at night. Let's check the running lights. Now that is a running light. See any difference there? Wouldn't you much rather have that driving down the road than that? All right, we're going to try the blinkers. We're going to do the passenger side first. Passenger side. Now look how dull and nasty that is. Let's try the driver's side. Now that's how it's supposed to be. Look at that. That is beautiful. People don't know you're turning. What a great safety feature. Let's do the passenger side again. All right, let's turn those off, and we're going to hit the emergency flashers, which is at the top of the steering column. See any difference there, my friends? Huge difference. Oh, there went a werewolf walking across in front of us. So there you go, folks. I think you know the decision you need to make now for you and your family and your safety driving. Now you see how amazing that looked. They're unbelievable. All right, now if you run into a error or a hyper flash, or your blinkers are not working correctly, you need a resistor, and they're in the tools list. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Clint Eastwood, I don't know. Anyhow, this is a load resistor right here. Very simple to find. All you have to do is turn your lights on. These are the running lights. And what you do is you have 3 wires back here. If you poke one in here to this wire here, it doesn't light up. If you poke one in here, it lights up. Now, watch as I do this. Watch it, it'll start flashing fast. Okay, you see it flashing fast down there? That's called a hyper flash. And to find that wire, stick it in here. There it is. So this wire's not lit up only because I have the running lights on. If the running lights were off, that light goes out. So we have a hyper flash going on, and we know that's not what we want. Now, some of you can live with that, but a lot of you with Mercedes or BMWs or that will get an error, lighting error inside, and there's nothing worse than having something lit up on your dash you don't want lit up. So I stick that in there. I know that's the wire. This one no longer lights up because the running lights are turned off. So that wire is our running lights wire. This is our ground. That's our flasher. So fix that. Very simple. You take your resistor right there. You take your Scotch lock, and there's 2 ways it goes in. That's where it stops. So this wire will go in here like this, and it'll stop. Then I clamp this wire on, this Scotch lock on the main wire after I drop it. So what I do is I open that up enough, make sure that my opened end is down here so I can poke this wire in. So now I'm in that channel. Now take this, poke it in until it stops. Now it's tight working conditions here. And you take your pliers, make sure everything's lined up in the channels it needs to be in. Now it's locked in there. So that crimp, you can see the bare wire right there. And I'll wrap this with black tape after I'm done. So that's crimped in. We'll do it again just to make sure. Now this wire, this end, we'll do the same. Again, there's your stop. So that wire will go in there and it'll stop. See, I can't poke it through any further unless I go through this side. We'll open it up a little bit. Makes it easier if you open it up. And this will go on our ground. Now you can mount these resistors. They have screw holes there, or you can just let them dangle. Not a big issue. So we want the run-through wire, which is the first one. Right there. And then this wire will go in here like that. So I'll put my pliers on first. So we make sure we're fully in there. No other wires. We don't want that gray one getting crimped. Like I said, this is usually pretty tight working quarters. That's what you want right there. That's how it worked. See how that went? The resistor right here. And then we just jumped into the flashing wire and into the ground. GoPro, stop recording.